What's up friends, in this simple video I'm going to be showing you how you can prevent your directory file listings in all your folders on a website, and within some short time you're going to see what we are talking about. So let's say somebody comes on my website and places Ctrl U on their keyboards. They will be presented to my source code of the website. So let me first turn off this feature for you guys to understand what I'm talking about. I have a second PC here where I've turned off that feature. So the user may decide to click this image and will be presented to that full size image, let's say code.png, and there will be dot here. But he may also decide to go ahead and remove that image name and accesses that img folder, and see what is going to happen. They are going to present him to all my images that I have on the website. He may also decide to go ahead and remove this folder and press enter, and we again be presented to a full listing all my image, like my files that I'm having on the website, which is not good. Imagine you have some important files or documents for the user to access. So I'm also going to show you some big website here. I'm going to make sure I cover that URL for you guys not disturb them. So if you press enter, you'll be presented to all their files on the website. You can also go ahead and press enter and see all their uploads. Imagine even the statistics are being displayed to the user. What if somebody comes and gets your important information and uses it for something else? So I'm going to show you how you can prevent this on your website. So to prevent users from seeing the directories or folders on your website, like mine here, let me first turn on that feature on mine, and I show you how it will be displaying to the user. So when the user tries to do this, he will see the image first, which is okay. But when they try to be wise and try to access my img folder, then I will present them to that page. They won't be able to see any file from my website. So I've turned on that feature on my website, and that's what I'm going to be showing you how you can create. So what you need to do, let me first delete this. I want to show you how you do everything. So inside this folder, I'm just going to create a new file. Ctrl S on your keyboard to save, and the name of this file is .ht access. So that's the name of the file that you need to create. And to implement that rule, it's very simple. First you have to turn on the engine. You say rewrite engine on. So we are turning on the engine for the server, and then it's a simple rule. You just need to write index ignore all, so asterisk, and this is the only rule that you have to write. You can see it's very simple. So this same file is the one responsible to control the error pages. Let's say somebody comes on my website and tries to put in something that is not there, let's say me, places enter. So he will be redirected to a 404 error page. You can see still it is this file that is responsible for that. You can also put that functionality in that. You can see how it's very simple. I already have a tutorial on that, but for this case, if you're new and you're not ready to go to that tutorial, this is what you have to write. Just write error, then document, error document, then you specify the type of error you want, 04, then space / then the file that you want the user to be redirected to. Let's say error file. So you make sure you have that file on your server. Error file, .html, PHP, anything you want. So any extension that you'll be using for your website. So this is where you will also put such files in. When you're done with that, when you're done with this, make sure you upload this ht access file in the same directory where all your pages are located. I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about, because you saw the user won't be able to access your directories. So make sure you upload that ht access file, this one that we have created, with this rule index ignore all, in the same directory where all these pages are: the home page, about us page, contact us page, privacy policy, all the folders that will be having this data. So the user won't be able to access all your files from the server. So that's it, guys. Subscribe to my channel if this tutorial was useful to you, and I always see you in the next tutorials. Peace.